Charlotte, Stinker, you need to make a full one. I don't know what you're doing with this cute little sample bottle. You need to make a full one. I'm not a begging gal, but... Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dani, and for today's video, we're going to be doing a mini Sephora haul. I say mini because the last one I did, I went a little bit overboard and spent $1,500. This one we didn't. So I'm going to show you all the products that I got. I did get some stuff that I had to replan on for my personal and professional makeup kit. I got a lot of lip products, some restock, so things that I have that need to be replanned, and new products that came out this summer that I'm just now buying. So let's dive into it. As usual, I'm going to categorize everything. So I'm starting off with lip products, my favorite, Morphe. So I believe during the summer they dropped a line called Drip Glass and Soulmate or Soulmat, I can't remember what it's called. And I purchased some nude lip glosses from that line. And I picked up 4 shades of the Drip Glass and then 2 of the Soulmate. And the reason why I picked up these ones is because I know that I can use them on myself and my clients. So I try to stay like on the nude pinky side. So for Drip Glass, I got Glaze So Transparent, Glaze Polished Peach, and then Drenched Naked Drip and Drench Wet Peach. And then for the Soulmate, I got Honey and then Wifey. These colors are super nice. I did swatch them when I first opened the box. I know they'll look good with a nice trendsetter or a cork. I'm really excited to try these. If you've tried them and you like them, let me know down below. And if there's other colors from the 2 ranges that you like as well, let me know and I'll probably grab those ones too. So at this point, this is going to be an everything haul because I purchased a bunch of stuff that came at different times. Most of the products are from Sephora, so we're going to stay strong with a mini Sephora haul plus more, okay? I did hear about this lip gloss and I've heard that it's super, the formula is really good. It is a ColourPop lip gloss. It's called the So Juicy, so I picked up a few colors. I've been really fixated on a cloudy lip gloss. There's one from e.l.f. It's called Pink Paloma or Pink something. I can't really remember. It's this one. I'll put the name here somewhere. I love this. It's such a beautiful, sexy lip gloss to add on top of any combo. So I've been really fixated with that type of look or formula. So I know that ColourPop does have one in the color Velour BB. I purchased 2 of them. And then I also got Small Talk, Stuntin, and Beachwood. Beachwood is mainly for my richer deep tone clients, so I picked up that one specifically for them. My other ColourPop lip glosses, they stink, so I never ended up using them. Okay. Oh, this smells good. It smells like peppermint. It smells really good. Thank God, because the other ones were not. I was not messing with the other ones. They were not okay. They smell like footback. Why is that the smell of your lip glosses? Please be fucking for real. ColourPop, we gotta do better, babe. What is a haul without some Fenty? It's not a haul without any Fenty. I purchased, or these are my repurchases. So I got Fenty Glow and Lemon Lava. I'm actually wearing Lemon Lava today. I love me some Fenty lip glosses. My issue with her is that they're $26. So that I don't love. I don't love that they're $26, but I love the lip glosses themselves. So if you know a dupe for Lemon Lava, because that's my go-to at this moment, help, send help, because I cannot justify $26 for a lip gloss anymore. I can't do it. Mind you, I bought 2 of them. I'm trying to, but I can't do it anymore. It is one of my favorite lip glosses. I gravitate towards it a lot and I love using it on my clients as well. So if you know a dupe for Lemon Lava, send help, okay? Send help and the dupe, please. Thanks. Now, if you're looking for a cheap peach lip gloss, Sephora. This is a Sephora brand in Nude Attitude. I love this. I go through these in a month. They're so good. I personally don't go through them in a month, but when I'm doing makeup on other people, I go through them very quickly. So I bought 4 of them. I kept 1 for myself and then I'm going to use the other 3 for my clients. And you would think the tube lasts you a long time. Danielle's just squeezing out the tube. Squeezing out the tube, squeezing out the tube. I love them. They smell really nice too. I've heard a lot of people complain that they're a little bit sticky, but I don't know. I use them as not my top coat, but maybe the second last coat before I put a clear gloss on top for a lip combo. And they're very affordable. I think they're $6. I think I got them for $6. So if you're looking for a peach nude lip gloss, Sephora. Sephora has some good lip glosses. I feel like they're very underrated. Not a lot of people talk about them, but they're very good. So yeah, I got 4 of these. I put my other one away. So Milani is the next runner up. I used to buy Milani a lot when I first started doing makeup, and then I don't know, I just stopped buying it. I do have a lipstick, a matte lipstick from them that is just so fire. It's the dupe for Yash for MAC. So good. I was wearing that yesterday. It was sexy as hell. It's so nice, and it's like half the price of MAC. Milani lip glosses, I'm like, let me try them again. I purchased 2 of them in champagne and sparkling pink. These are really nice. The formula is very nice. They're not sticky. They smell really good. Let me confirm. Let me remember. Oh, yeah. No. Yeah. Yes, it smells good. I was very concerned. I was like, I did wear sparkling pink, I think on Saturday, and I got a lot of compliments on my lip combo. I was like, it's Milani, thanks. It was really nice. And then also I got the lifter gloss in the color Ice. This has been everywhere, and I'm like, let me get my hands on it before I can't anymore. I know that it should be good because I have a lot of Milani lip product. Ooh, wow, that smells good. I have a lot of Milani lip products. A lot of my lipsticks are from Milani. Sorry, a lot of my lipsticks are from Maybelline. So this is a Maybelline lip gloss. This has been super hot. Everybody has been talking about it. I haven't tried it yet. If you like the formula, let me know. I was gonna buy like an ass ton of them, like almost all the colors, but I'm just like, what if I don't like it? Because I noticed that with me. Like, I like to buy things in bulk and then I never end up using them because I don't like them. So I'm not gonna do that. So I got one. So if you like it, let me know that it's good. If you have any other colors that look good on either my complexion or deeper complexions, please let me know so I can just add it to my roster. Okay, so we're done with lip glosses. So we're gonna move on to lip liners. So I've been fixated with finding Cork. I think I had told you guys that in my last video, and I haven't found a dupe for Cork yet, but I think I found her. And she is ColourPop BFF3. I've asked some of my girls that do makeup, girl, I need a dupe, because $29 for a lip liner, please. For a pencil. Could you imagine spending $29 for a pencil? Like, imagine you're going back to school and the pencil's $29. These were on sale for $4 and I bought 4 of them. I'm going to keep one for myself and see how I like it and then use the rest for my clients. I've heard that the formula is really good and that it's long lasting. I don't know how true that is because I've never used a lip liner from ColourPop before. I've seen so many people wear this in my complexion a little bit darker and it looks like Cork. I'm not gonna hold you, it looks like Cork. So I'm very excited. I bought 4 of them. Not me not knowing if it's gonna be good or not, and I buy a bunch. I'm crazy, I don't know why I do this. Another set of lip liners that I purchased from Sephora, like their brand. I was trying to find lip liners to put in my purse. I didn't know they were this small. I guess they're perfect for the size of my purse, but they're super tiny. They're only $8. They don't really have dark colors. This is the darkest they got, and this is not that dark. This is like more of like a red. I was looking for a brown or like a, you know, a chestnut brown or something. Like, this is called what? Deep brown. Please be fucking for real. How is this deep brown? This is called deep brown, and then I'm gonna assume this is called light brown, which you don't fucking say. This is called light brown. These are not for us. These are like red. Like, this is for like a fair skin tone. This is a red. This is giving me red. I'm wearing a dark brown right now, and this is, I'm not complaining. I'm probably just gonna put them together and do like an ombre situation. But Sephora, babe, please, we need brown. We need darker, like for us, for the colors. Thanks. So this product is a restock or a replen for me. Huda Beauty in banana bread. I love me some banana bread. I typically will not set my under eyes with anything else but this, unless it's a Sephora brand. Their translucent powder, I really like that. That's really nice. And I don't know any other, you know, I haven't really gone on the setting powder hunt or like fixation yet. So if you have a favorite setting powder that you like, let me know. So of course, I saved the best for last. I had to. Literally had to. Like, I'm so excited I can like throw up right now. I replanned on my favorite setting sprays. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I bought it in the big ass bottle because it's the size of my head, because I love it so much. It's the first setting spray that I put on my face when I'm done doing my base routine. I love it because of the mist feel that it gives. It just makes everything nicely smooth in together. And then I'll use 2 other setting sprays on top of this one. I love this so much. Nobody can get me to use anything else unless they change the nozzle on the other setting sprays. This is my baby. This is my ride or die. I love her. That's why I got a big bottle. Now, Morphe did also drop this during the summer. It's a continuous prep and set mist. When I first tried this, I hated it. I absolutely hated it, okay? I love a dewy, nice, glowy finish. This, don't do that. If you like your shit to be matte, this is it, okay? When I did use it at first, it was just like, I don't know. I didn't like it at all. I tried it again and I did like a matte look to see like, okay, you know, maybe if I try and do it a different way, it will look good. And I did this matte look and everyone loved it. It came out so nice and I'm like, okay, it's a vibe then, it's a vibe. So I've been using it here and there, like not my go-to that I grab or anything, but it is a good setting spray. I'm not gonna knock it. Overall, I do believe that this setting spray is really good. So if you do wanna try it out, you definitely should. So for the next setting spray, I've had a lot of issues with like the perfect setting spray for my clients that are super oily or sweat a lot. And the Morphe Mist is not for them. Okay, it is not for them. So one of my girlfriends who is a makeup artist did recommend this setting spray specifically. It is the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist by e.l.f. I did try it on myself. It was good, but I'm not oily. I'm not an oily girl. I'm not like, I don't sweat a lot, so I couldn't tell if it was doing what it was supposed to do for the reason I need it for. So I am really excited to see it on my clients that do experience like sweaty and oiliness and all that stuff, and see if it like locks in and their makeup don't move. So if you're someone who is experiencing, you know, oily skin or you sweat a lot, try this. Tell me how you like it. I trust my girl. She's amazing at makeup. So definitely give this a try. And if you are someone that does experience it and you already have like your go-to setting spray, let me know what it is down below. Now, for my absolute favorite thing out of this whole blasted haul, do you guys remember in my other haul, I was trying to convince you guys that I wasn't mentally unstable? There was a setting spray that I was looking for that I could not find for the life of me. I didn't know the name. I couldn't find anything. They had a duo last summer and it smells different. The one that I'm using now smells like perfume, and the one that had like they were this size, tiny ones, and it was in a box of 2, and I think it was like, I don't know, I think it was like aloe or like, I don't know what it was, but it smelled so good and I liked it better than the large one. I found it. Because I'm just that girl. I found it. If there's one thing about me, when I am fixated on something, I either always get what I want or I always figure it out. When I saw this on the Sephora website, buy. I didn't even care about nothing else. Buy, immediately buy. I think the one out of the 2 that I love is the White Tea of Bali. I don't know if it's just the smell or I don't know what it is, but it is so good. Okay, and I bought 2 of them. I absolutely love this setting spray. When I was done using it and I had to go into the next bottle, I'm like, something's a little different. And I'm like reading the labels, I'm like, something's not, oh, they're not the same. It's limited edition. Charlotte, Stinka, you need to make a full one. I don't know what you're doing with this cute little ass sample bottle. You need to make a full one. I'm not a begging gal, but please, please. If you can get your hands on this before it's not limited anymore, do it. This is like my top 5, hands down, my top 5 favorite setting spray. So good. Please. Not a begging gal, Charlotte. Please. We don't want the sample bottle anymore. We want the big ass one. Thanks, girl. That is it for my mini haul. Whoever would have thought I would say mini haul? Because, you know, Dani likes to swipe that card. We're not going to do that anymore. The economy's kicking our ass. So we're not going to be doing big hauls for a while. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you are looking for new lip products, setting sprays, lip liners, send this to somebody that you think might need some. I just wanted to say thank you to all of the support, engagement, love, comments, funny jokes, everything that you guys are doing to help my channel grow. Thank you for giving me the space to be genuinely myself. My first few videos, I've been like super uptight, but I would say my most recent videos, I've been Dani. I've just been me. I've been doing me and enjoying the process, and I really love doing this. Like, I really love it. I feel so in my space, flow state, you know, creating and making new things. So I'm very grateful that I have this space to do that, and I'm grateful for you guys giving me the feedback and questions and all that stuff that you guys are doing to help me grow my channel. So yes, I love you guys. And to show my gratitude, I am going to be doing a giveaway when I hit 2,000 subscribers. I'm mainly going to be focusing on my skincare aspect because you guys really, really, really love my skincare videos when it's mainly a makeup channel. But you guys said, fuck your makeup. I don't give a fuck about your makeup. It's skincare we want to see, bitch. So, yeah. So I'm going to be giving one lucky subscriber 2 of each of my favorite products. I will let you know more details on the giveaway. Again, I'm so grateful. I love every single one of you guys. And this is just me showing my gratitude for all the love and, you know, encouragement to continue my channel, because imposter syndrome be beating my So yeah, that's why I keep taking long breaks, but now we're just locked in, ready to go. I've been filming a lot this past couple weeks, so I have a lot of videos coming out for you guys. Any way that I can help you with makeup, skincare, let me know. Still not a dermatologist, but I will try my best. So yeah, I love you and I can't wait to see you in my next video.